Do you want more 1600 plus questions? Let me show you this one. They said, what is the average value of the function y equal to tangent to x over the interval 0 and pi over 8? Now, to find the average value of the function tangent to x over the interval, we use the formula for the average value of the function over this interval, which is the average value. We can summarize it as AV, it's equal to 1 over b minus a integral from a to b for f of x dx. This is the general formula. Now, you see that a is equal to 0 and b is equal to pi over 8, the limits of the integration, and f of x is the function which is tangent to x. So we can write average value is equal 1 over pi over 8 minus 0 integral from 0 to pi over 8 for tangent to x dx. Let's evaluate the integral from 0 to pi over 8 for tangent to x dx alone. What do you get? So if we consider u as 2x, let's say u is equal to 2x, then du is equal to 2 dx. Divide by 2 here. Divide by 2, which means that du over 2 is equal to dx, and then we can replace in the integral. And also, when x is equal to 0, u is equal to 2 times 0, which is 0 also. And when x is equal to pi over 8, u is equal to 2 times pi over 8, which is pi over 4. Now we can rewrite the integration again. Now, substituting in the integral from 0 to pi over 8 for tangent to x dx, it becomes integral from 0 to pi over 4 for tangent u, and dx is du over 2. So we can put 1 over 2 outside, and we can write du inside. Let's do the integral now. Let's write it again. 1 over 2 integral from 0 to pi over 4 for tangent u du. You know that the integral of tangent u du is going to be equal to minus ln cosine u. We can write it is equal 1 over 2 into minus ln of absolute cosine of u, and the boundaries for the integral from 0 to pi over 4, we can write from 0 to pi over 4. Let us simplify. It's going to be equal to 1 over 2 into minus ln absolute cosine pi over 4 minus of minus ln absolute cosine of 0. Let us simplify. It's going to be equal 1 over 2 minus ln cosine pi over 4 is equal to 1 over radical 2. That's 1 over radical 2. We put it in absolute value. Minus of minus ln cosine 0, which is equal to 1, close bracket again, is going to be equal 1 over 2. Now, let's simplify according to the properties of logarithm. We can write minus ln absolute 1 over radical 2. 1 over radical 2 is positive, so we ignore the absolute value. So it becomes radical 2 to the power minus 1. We raise it up and we put it power negative. Minus of minus ln 1, 0. So minus of minus 0 is going to be 0, so we ignore it. So this is going to be 1 over 2. Now, the power negative 1, we can drop it down. It will be multiplied by the negative. So you get ln of radical 2. But do not forget that they are asking you for the average value. So the average value is going to be equal. So the average value is going to be equal. We got previously 1 over pi over 8 minus 0. And here we have 1 over 2 ln of radical 2. So simplify it. You get 1 over pi over 8, which means that is equal to 8 over pi times 1 over 2 ln of radical 2. And finally, simplify 8 over 2, which is 4. Then finally you get 4 over pi ln of radical 2 as a final answer. Now, if you want to simplify more, if you don't find the answer, let's say that this is a multiple choice question and you didn't find the answer, what can you do here? You can write 4 over pi ln. Now, radical 2, it's 2 to the power half. And you know that the properties of logarithm, you can drop down the half. So it becomes 4 over pi multiplied by 1 over 2 ln of 2. and then simplify more. 4 over 2 cancel. You get 2 over pi ln of 2. Does it make sense for you? That's great. Now, if you want to see more questions like that, keep following me and I will get you more questions. And here I can say that we reached the end of the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share. And welcome to Math for Fun. And bye for now.